Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to block gifted subs for unfollowed channels and hide subscription gift purchase accounts on the Twitch application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the profile icon that you can see in the upper left corner of the screen. Tap on settings, click on security and privacy. Now scroll down and tap on the block gifted subs for unfollowed channels and click on hide subscription gift purchase count, thereby turning on all of these two functions of the application. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.